Alright guys, welcome to another video. Now this is something we don't do that often, and in fact I didn't even do it with my own Iqoo Neo 6, but we have a second Iqoo Neo 6 in the house. Somebody in our family has bought the same phone but in a different color. So we're going to unbox this phone, and we also have one more device which we are going to unbox in a different video. This as well is an Iqoo phone. This is the Iqoo Z6 or Z644W. So we'll leave this aside for now, and we're going to unbox this baby. This is the Iqoo Neo 6 in that dark blue sort of color. So we will also compare it side by side with this particular color, and we'll also see what all is included in this particular box. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so as you can see, this is a properly sealed Amazon package that was just delivered. Please do not accept if tampered. So we're quickly going to use our standard cutter. We don't have any special unboxing knives available. And there goes the seal. Now, I really hope you guys can see fine from the top down view. Now, it's a little... Okay, so we'll get rid of this plastic packaging. This is a protective packaging is what we have, and let's quickly slice this open. Very satisfying experience here. Okay, this is the invoice, so we will leave that aside, and over here we should have brand new Iqoo Neo 6. Now, the box is seal packed, of course. This is a new device over here that you see. Iqoo Neo 6 is the IMEI information. This is the base 8GB, 128GB variant that we are talking about. The model number is I2202. The color is Dark Nova. This is a celestial blue color. I think that's what they are calling it. So, very fancy and basic packaging over here. So, we're going to quickly open it from this side. Slice it open without damaging the box. Okay, there you go. Very nice matte finish on the Iqoo box. Now, there are two seals over here. Do not accept if seal is broken. So one by one, we will open both of them. Okay. Now, this is a unique box. See how it opens. A very unique shape over here. And the first thing that you see inside the box is the smartphone itself. So let's quickly remove the smartphone from the box here. As you can see, a very different shade over here. Matte finish, definitely a matte finish over here. We'll start the phone and we will keep this aside. So is it going to start? Okay, it is starting. Now you have some IMEI stickers over here. We'll leave the plastic packaging aside. This is a box section. You have a very good quality premium or a TPU case, which I'm already using on my smartphone. Pretty good in terms of quality. So we will leave this aside. We do have a bunch of documentation over here, which I'm sure nobody reads. This is the warranty cards. Then you have your user manual. Okay, we can leave that aside. This is the major factor over here. This is the huge, oh wow, these are flying back. This is the huge 80 watt brick. The charging brick is what we are talking about. 80 watts of charging power, 27 to 28 minutes from 0 to 100. Very impressive. This is your type A to type C USB cable. These are the two things that you get with the device. Now, along with this, you also get this. This is your 3.5mm to USB Type-C audio jack, which means this device doesn't come with a 3.5mm jack. You do have a SIM ejector tool over here, right? Now, that covers everything as far as the things inside the box are concerned. But let me quickly show you around the device here. Now, the device from the back is very simple, very basic. You have your dual flash over here, primary camera, wide angle camera, your macro camera. You do have your Neo branding over here, your Iqoo branding over here. If you look at the top of the device, you do have a secondary microphone, and this looks like a IR blaster, and this is your front camera. Now at the bottom, of course, you have the SIM tray, right? Let me quickly show you the SIM tray. Now, this is something confusing. I did this mistake. I know it sounds really, really stupid, but this is a bottom microphone. I was trying to put it in there. Never do that. You can damage your mic. And let's pop it out. Now, this is your SIM tray. You can include 2 SIM cards. It also comes with a dummy SIM card. No place for a SD card over there. Your 80-watt charging port, USB type 2.0 type C, your bottom speaker, and this is your top speaker. So you have earpiece and speaker together. Nothing on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you have a power button and a volume up and volume down button. Very, very tactile, good feedback. Overall, this device feels good in terms of build quality. And it's a very, very simple looking phone. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So if you look over here, you have your punch hole camera and all the other things. So yeah, Iqoo Neo 6 in this color looks very, very nice. And before we actually end this video, what we are going to do here is we'll quickly compare it side by side with the other color that we have. Now, as you can see, we have both the colors available side by side. And let me know in the comment section which one do you like. This has more of a smooth finish. You know, this is very, very smooth in terms of finish. And this is a little rough. This is matte. But yeah, the gradient looks similar on both. The color is what is different. I don't regret buying this color because I really don't like this one that much. So all in all, Iqoo Neo 6, 2 devices over here. This was a quick unboxing. We will also be doing a unboxing of Iqoo Z6 44W. Let me know in the comment section, do you want such more unboxing videos or not? Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.